Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zulfami MS. We're student media 2304255 Public Policy Politics course with the lecturer Mr. Rizky Safril SHI MSI with the material Organizing and Post with group members. Next, Fadila Aulia, Muhammad Iksan, Novita Permatasari, Nursuci Aryana Belpani, Cindy Rahmasari, Yohana, Yunita, dan saya sendiri Zulfami MS. So, the first speaker of Yunita, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. I will deliver the material. Definition of policy analysis. Number one, policy analysis is a critical and practical thinking process and access on public policies or organization. Next, aims to assist decision makers in selecting the best policy alternatives. Conducts thorough analysis of data, problems, and various solution alternatives. Policy is a set of decision program or action taken to solve problems and achieve specific goals. Next material, function and characteristic of policy analysis. Number one, function of policy analysis. Identify the question of a problem within a policy. Analyze the impact of applied policies. Provide evidence-based and data-driven recommendation. Help create more effective and efficient and rational policies. Number two, characteristic of policy analysis. Practical and interdisciplinary, integrating various fields of knowledge. Problem-solving oriented, uses a systematic and holistic approach based on data and evidence-based indication. Thank you. I will turn in moderator.
Well, thank you. Next to Fadila Aulia.
Thank you to the moderator. Here I will explain about stage of policy analysis. First, problem identification. Determining and understanding the problems that need to be resolved. Third, forecasting. The second is forecasting the impact of policy alternatives, analyzing the possible impacts of various policy options. Third, solution recommendation, determining the best policy alternative. Fourth is policy implementation, and monitoring and evaluation, assessing the result and effectiveness of the policy. Next is identifying public policy problems. Identifying public policy problem is a very important first step in the making process. This stage aims to find, understand, and analyzing problems occurring so it can be determining whatever form of prevention. Through education, the governments can formulate policies that are effective and aligned with the needs of the public. That concludes my presentation. I return to the moderator.
Okay, well, thank you too. Next to Novita Permatasari.
Thanks, moderator. I will continue with the next topic here. Stack of policy problem identification. Number one, problem recognition. The process of detecting indication of problem in society through community reports, research, mass media, or direct of observation. Number two, problem definition. Explaining the problem more clearly and systematical, including the form of the problem. This impact in the effective community growth. Number three, problem specification. Analyzing the causal factor and impact to understand the relationship between factors influencing the emergence of the problem. Number four, problem prioritizing. Determining where problem must be prioritized for handling this based on urgency level, impact on society, and availability of resources. Next. Data collection techniques in problem identification. In problem identification, various data and information collection techniques are needed so that problem can be understood more comprehensively. Accurate data will help policymakers in formulating appropriate and effective solution. Techniques use literature review, statistical data analysis, interview, field observation, discussion with stakeholders. That's all. I will return into the moderator.
All right, thank you too. Next to Muhammad Isan.
Okay, I will continue the presentation of material from my colleague, namely about policy alternative and types of policy alternative. Policy alternative. Policy alternative are various solution options proposed to address a policy problem. At this takes exploration and analysis of various policy options that might solve the problem are carried out, considering the consequences and benefits of each option. Goal of policy alternative. Number one, provides various solution options for policy makers. Next, help select the most effective and efficient solution. Number three, clarify the consequence and benefit of each policy option. Number four, increase accountability and transparency in the policy making process. Next. Next, tips of policy alternative. In the policy formulation process, there are several forms of policy alternative that policy makers can consider to resolve a problem. New policy. Formulating and implementing a new policy to address emerging problems. Policy changing or modifying existing policies to better suit current conditions. Policy revocation or revoking existing policies because they are considered ineffective. Policy combination, combining several types of policies to obtain a more optimal solution. Perhaps that is the material I can present. I will return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you too. Next to Nursuci Ariana Belpani.
Step in analyzing policy alternative. Number one, identification policy alternative briefs. Gathering information about various solution options that can be used to solve the problem. Analyzing policy alternative, examining the consequences and benefit of each alternative, including its impact on economy, social, political, and environmental aspects. Evaluation policy alternative, covering various exciting alternatives, determine the most efficient. Are made to question solution can evaluate controversy of MBG policy and honorar teacher. Controversy of MBG policy and honorar teacher. A public controversy arose over the policy of uplifting SPBG employees under the Free Notorious Meals MBG program as government employees with work agreement P3K is previous with the welfare issue of honorary teacher remain unresolved. Assignment of 32.000 SPBG employees as P3K in 2006 plan to the thanks of trust of additional P3K question for the MBG. Honorar teacher still reverse 3,000 2M per 2 per month. MBG equation SP3K reverse 2 million sampai 7 million per month. Maybe kita all the material exports from the back to the moderator.
Alright, thank you too. Next to Johanna.
Thank you, moderator. Next, we will discuss about problem analysis. Number one, what controversy over the welfare gap between MBG program works appointed as PPK and honorary teacher still receiving low wage. Number two, government as policymaker, SPPG, employees of MBG program honorary teachers. Number three, when did the controversy emerge in early 2026 when the appointment of MBG employees as PPK was announced. Number four, where nationally in Indonesia in social media, mass media, and public discuss space. Selanjutnya, next, number five, why welfare policy inequality between MBG works and honorary teachers and government policy priorities moving faster toward the MBG program. Number six, how public and academic critics of government policy. B, potential decline in work motivation among honorary teachers. C, risk of decline public trust in government policy. Policy recommendation. Number one, improve the welfare of honorary teachers. Number two, accelerate the appointment of honorary teacher as PPK. Number three, develop a more equitable public sector wage system. Number four, increase government policy transparency. Thank you. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, alright, thank you too. Next to Cindy Ramasari.
Thank you to the moderator. I will deliver the material case study background. This case study illustrates the dynamic of policy analysis in a local government. I can see relate to the problem of budget inefficiency in goods and service procurement. The procurement system had been managed by a honorary employee who worked for 10 years, relying on a variant and relationship with certain vendors. However, a new employee with a Master of Business Administration (MBA) background conducted a more systematic policy analysis to evaluate this procedure. Next, policy analysis process. The MBA background policy analysis conducted and evaluation using the comprehensive rational policy analysis approach. The analysis was carried out by collection data, comparing market price, and verifying information from various parties. Analysis step. The first collection procurement data from the past 3 years. Next, comparing procurement price with market price. Next, condition interview with external parties. Next, using cost benefit analysis and performance.
Okay, alright, thank you too. Next to myself. Next. Result and conclusion of analysis. The analysis result were presented in leadership meeting attended by the head of the agency and relevant official. The MBA analysis recommendation were ultimate accept because they were support by strong data and the accordance with the applicable regulation. Regulation basis supporting the decision. Law number 5 of 2015 concerning 2 Law No 23 of the 2014 Regional Government, Regional Financial Transparency and Accountability. Alright, that's all for the presentation from our group 2 with the title MBG Employee Group Who Outperform Prevalence Staff. That's all from our group. If there are any mistakes and irregulation, I apologize as the moderator. I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.